Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I will show you how to quickly change your Qatar Airways flight date online through their official website. First, open your web browser, navigate to qatarairways.com, and look at the main homepage navigation bar. Click on the Manage Booking tab to open the Itinerary Retrieval panel. Here, you will need to input two specific details: your 6-character booking reference code, also known as your PNR, which is located right on your booking email receipt, and the passenger's last name exactly as it is spelled on the ticket. Click Retrieve Booking to load your active itinerary details. Once your flight segments appear on screen, look for the Change Flight or Modify Date button within your reservation summary box. Clicking this will launch a live calendar view showing available alternative flights for your destination. Review the real-time pricing indicators displayed on each calendar day, as changing dates may incur fare differences or booking fees depending on your original ticket class restrictions. Select your preferred new travel date, verify your connection timings, and proceed to the secure payment screen to settle any pending fare balances. Once finalized, Qatar Airways will instantly process the adjustment and dispatch an updated e-ticket itinerary directly to your email inbox. And that is it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I will see you in the next one.